Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can probably tell by the title, today I have a current favorites video. I've never really done a video like this before, but there are a lot of things that I've been into lately. I'm going to try to link these products down in the description box for you guys, so you guys can check it out and see if maybe you want to try it too. First thing that is currently one of my favorites, these lashes right here. Now every time I try lashes, I always have to trim them because they're always like a lot bigger than my actual eye, but not these. Usually if I want like a more dramatic look, I leave the whole eyelash and just glue it on. But for the most part, like on a daily basis, I like to cut these in half, and it gives it a more natural look that way because I just connect my real eyelashes with the fake lashes, and that's it. It's really easy. It's a lot easier to apply half of it than a whole lash. But today I have the whole lash on just because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and it's really easy to apply. I love these. If you've never tried these before, I recommend that you do. The next one is this facial brush, and it is the Radiance Spin Care System from a company called Duval. And they actually contacted me and wanted to send this for review purposes. Now, Duval is a website that has like a lot of hair products and stuff, and also this spin care system. It has the facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, another facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. It's actually pronounced pumice stone, you guys. So I've been using this for about a month now. I like using the large body cleansing brush. Where did I throw it? Right here. Yeah. So I like to use it every night for like my underarms, because I feel like this really takes out the deodorant and all that stuff and lets the pores down there breathe and stuff. So yeah, I like using this for that. I really like that. I really like this. I like to use the Dove fragrance free for sensitive skin soap, and I like to use it with this one to remove my makeup. Next I use this one here, and it's pretty much just to cleanse my face and stuff, and then after that I just apply everything else. And this is pretty cool. I like using this one on my heels and stuff. This does retail for $95, but you can use my discount code that I will be putting here or just somewhere around me for 70% off. But again, I'm gonna leave all that just linked down in the description box if you guys are interested. Next favorite is, I'm gonna talk about all of these at once because these all kind of do the same thing, sort of. These are all face sprays. I'm gonna start off with these two right here. I've had these for a while, and I tend to use them more around summertime because of the heat, and I just like to find ways to keep my makeup on as long as I can during the day. So this one here, this is from Scandinavia. Okay, so this one's the makeup primer spray. I usually apply my regular primer, and then once that dries off, I apply this one. Then once I'm done applying my makeup and everything, I like to apply the makeup finishing spray. I really do like the way these two work together because it really does help my makeup stay pretty long during the day, and I like applying this thing. This thing I recently got when I went to that Ipsy Creator Day event, and it's just a spray that you apply to keep your face looking fresh, and like during the day you can apply it right after you apply your makeup, midday, towards the end of the day. So I like to apply this if I'm gonna touch up like towards the end of the day, and then I like to go in with my concealer and my concealer brush just to touch up certain areas. And it's mostly, you know, around the T-zone where people tend to be oily and stuff. Sometimes I just apply it when I don't have makeup on just because I like how it feels. It's something similar to this one, which is the MAC Fix Plus spray that has obviously been around for a long time, and I just never really used it. And recently I started using it, and I also really like it. The next product is gonna be my concealer, and if you've watched my previous videos, you'd probably notice that this is mostly on all my makeup videos. So this is definitely a product that I can't live without, and I have to take it everywhere I go, and it's the Well Rested concealer by Bare Minerals, and I just wanted to throw that one in there just to talk about it because it's one of my favorites, and it's been one of my favorites for so long. Now, it's really hard to choose between these two lately. This one is a product I recently got from the Ipsy Creator event as well. I'm actually wearing that primer today. I've been trying it for like the past 2 weeks. This one is just one that I'm always gonna buy no matter what, because this one, I just love the way that it applies over my pores and it helps my makeup stay for a really long time. So yeah, this one pretty cool too. Lastly, I have these right here that I actually found at Walmart. It's a body mist, a body lotion, and a bubble bath and wash. These were pretty cheap. They were like $3 each, and it smells really good. And I tend to wear the lotion more than anything because usually in the mornings I'm in a rush and I forget to spray the spray. But it smells really good. I still have yet to use this one. I have not even tried it, but I'm pretty excited to. I guess that's pretty much it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell thing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.